So one thing that's cool about this van is this has the 2.8 liter Duramax engine in it. This is it. We're gonna find out if the 2.8 liter is worth the hype that Chevy thinks that it is, and if it can do 35-inch tires, because that's what we want to put on this van. We're going to convert this one also to four-wheel drive, so we're not going to be using anybody else's four-wheel drive on this. We're going to be using all of our own system on this. We're going to be running our 2.5 coilover kit on this van also. So it's going to have the amazing ride, amazing suspension with this new engine. We're going to have a lot of fun with this, see how it is going to perform, and we'll let you know. Like, we'll be honest, like, yeah, it's awesome, no, it is not. So we all know that we love the Duramax diesel in the van, but the 6.6, that was awesome. Had a ton of power, a ton of torque, it could tow anything. But now the 2.8 liter, which now comes in the Chevy Express van, is it going to be adequate for what you're willing to do or what you're wanting to do? So what we thought, well, let's go take one for a test drive. We love driving vans. So today's van, we have the 2.8 liter in it. We've just completed our four-wheel drive conversion, and it's time to take it on the freeway. Let's go check it out. One thing that's really great about this kit is that it is really smooth. What could help it being so smooth though is these really comfortable ultra seat conversions that we've also done in them. But what we're having fun now is let's see how it actually drives on the freeway. And because on this particular build, of course, we've gone to the 35-inch tires. So here we are on the freeway, and this is a fun little turn. And what we've done different on this is we're running our new sway bar on this. And you can see that as we're going through this turn, not slowing down other than the traffic in front of us that won't allow us to go faster, we're getting very minimal amount of sway in there, which is going to be really nice depending on if you're going to be doing mountain driving or what you're going to be doing. That's what's going to make this new sway bar addition available on these kits really, really nice. But I mean, we're cruising along at 75 right now, and it is just, I mean, it's awesome. I mean, this is great. Super, just straight, smooth, really nice. And we know that the majority of your time is going to be behind the wheel, whether you're driving cross country or getting to your destination. And that's where we want to make sure that you have that ultra comfortable, smooth ride, which the WeldTec Designs coilover conversion kit definitely delivers that. So we're going to test 0 to 60 on this. You guys ready? All right, let's see. We're shifting gears. And mark. So ain't no rocket ship. Now, keep in mind that's just, we're not shifting, we're not doing anything crazy in order to like keep this, that's just in normal automatic mode. But here's where we think like this thing really will do really well, still maintaining that 65 miles an hour. Through that turn, that was nice. So what we've done different on this is we're running our sway bar setup, and I have to say, like, it works really nice. doing 75 miles an hour right now on this windy road, just like nothing. Today I'm definitely having a good time driving this 2.8 liter Chevy Duramax engine. I was definitely hesitant when I started this build and was very curious how well these 35-inch tires were going to do with this engine and transmission setup. But I have to say, I mean, we're like right here, I'm coming into a corner and just, you know, throttling out of it. And I mean, the pickup is nice. I mean, there's no hesitation. The torque is definitely there. You know, so what we did do is we're running a 410 gear in this, so that's obviously going to help, you know, turn these 35-inch tires. Also in this has the 8-speed transmission, so you can feel it shifting through its gears a lot quicker. So another nice feature about the transmission with this smaller 2.8 liter diesel. If I was not worried about towing, if that wasn't a concern of mine, if it was overall just, I want to get good gas mileage, I want a vehicle that, you know, should go a few 100,000 miles without any issue, I think I would definitely go this route. I think that this is a nice setup. I really am impressed with just overall, you know, how this engine does. I would also say that I think it's really nice. You know, obviously we've done a ton of work to this thing in order to, you know, with the 4-wheel drive and making the suspension awesome. We've also included our sway bar setup on this. And I mean, this thing in the corners, I mean, it drives great. Granted, I don't have a Porsche and don't drive Porsches, but this is what I would imagine it would feel like. So I don't know, maybe one of you guys out there has a Porsche that wants to let me take it for a test drive and do a review on it. But this thing is really fun. It's a, you know, it is a good time. It's, you know, you're gonna see the roads that we were driving on through these twists and turns, and you know, no body roll. It was overall just really good. I'm definitely giving this thing a big thumbs up, as I can barely see right now because I'm being blinded by this beautiful California sunset. But thanks guys for watching this video. I hope that this was informative. If you guys are looking at a 2.8 liter Chevy diesel, I'm gonna say once again, please, I know a ton of you guys are watching this that are not subscribed to our channel. Please smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, and of course, you know, we want to hear from you guys what you would like. So tell us, you know, if you were going to build a van, would you go with a 2.8 liter or would you go with a 6.0 gas building a new van? I know, however, we're all a fan of the 6.6 because that's going to give us the torque and it's going to give us the towing capacity. But since that's not available new, we're talking new vans right now. Just curious, what would you guys build? A 6.0 gas or a 2.8 liter turbo diesel? I have to say the decision would be very tough for me. I'm definitely digging this 2.8 liter. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Jeremy Johnson from WeldTec Designs, and I'll see you guys next time. See you guys.